Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to guide you how you can create a BD Sport account where that you need to open up a web browser. Once you open up the web browser on the top, you can see here search bar. Just click on it and here you will need to type www.bt.com/sport. Once you type in it, then you need to press enter in the keyboard. Once you enter, then your BD homepage will be open. Here on the top you can see my BD and here is the sign up option. You just need to click on it. Once you click on in sign up, then you will be guided to this page where you will need to choose whether you want to be the account holder or you want to be the account manager. For now, I'm choosing I want to be the account holder option. So click on it. Then you will be guided to this sign up page where you will need to fill in all your credentials. At first, you will need to type in your BD account number that has been sent to you on your bill. It should match the ones that you used while placing your order. If you don't have any BD account number, then you can enter in don't have a BD account number and you can make a BD account number. Then here you will need to enter your title. When you click on it, then you can choose any title here. Then you will need to enter your first name here on the last name, date of birth, and once you are done with all the entering your credential, here you can see the next option. You'll need to click on the next. Before that, you'll need to validate your account, choose your BD ID and all your security details. Once you are done with all the steps, then your BD account will be created. This was it guys. If you find this video useful, then don't forget to give a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, then subscribe it for more tutorial videos. Thank you.